it over, think it over. There's nothing you can say can tear me away from my God, my God. There's nothing you can do, 'cause I'm stuck like glue to my God, my God, my God. I'm sinking to my God like a sand to a letter, like birds with a feather. We stick together, I'm telling you from the start, I can't be torn apart from my God. There's nothing you can do can make me untrue to my God, my God. There's nothing you can buy can make me tell a lie to my God, my God, my God. I gave my God my word of honor to be faithful, and I'm gonna, you best be believing I won't be deceiving my God. As a matter of opinion, I think it's time. My opinion is he's the cream of the crop. As a matter of taste, to be exact, he is my ideal. As a matter of fact, no muscle-bound man could take my hand from my God, my God. No handsome face could ever take the place of my God, my God, my God. He may not be a movie star, but when it comes to being happy, we are. There's not a man today who can take me away from my God. What you say?